When you need to find an information on a large spreadsheet, or you are always looking out for the same kind of information in your daily work, VLookup function is something that would help you to a great extent. VLookup works similar to a phone book where you start with a piece of data you know, like someone's name, in order to find out their respective phone number or email address. Let's have a look at this example. In this sheet, part number is something that I already know and I want to find out the prices for my respective part number. To do that, I'll click on the cell where I would like to see the result or the price of my part number. For that, I'll enter an equal sign, VLookup followed by a parenthesis. This parenthesis will contain a set of arguments. Now, an argument is nothing but just a piece of data that the function needs in order to perform. Moving ahead, I'll enter K2 as the first argument because that's where I'll type the part number I'm looking for a price for. I'll follow that with a comma and then I'll enter the range of cells that contain the data I want to search. That's this block of data here. The part number starts in cell B2 and it ends at E23. So I'll enter B2, a colon and E23 followed by a comma. Now you need to remember that functions won't work without colons and commas. Next, I'll type number 3. This tells VLookup that the values that I want to see are in the third column from the left starting from the part number. Another comma and I enter false because that gives me an exact match between part number and price. When I press enter to tell Excel that I'm done, you can see I get an error message because I haven't entered any value in cell K2. So let's try entering a part number in K2. So now I get a price. So what exactly happened here? I told Excel, here's the value in the left-hand column of my data. Now look through this range of cells and in the third column to the right, then find the value on the same row.